Good morning, students. Now, let us continue the chapter probability exercise 15.1. We have done question up to 30 in the last class. And now, let us start question number 14. I am reading the question of exercise 15.1 NCERT book. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color, a face card, a red face card, the jack of hearts, a spade, and queen of diamonds. And you are given a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Cards के आपको group दे रखा है. In cards, in a deck of pack contain total 52 cards. 52 cards. It is divided into 4 parts. First one is spade. स्पेड का शेप ऐसे होता है. आपके पास कार्ड तो आप चेक कर लें. इसमें होता है 13 कार्ड्स. सेकेंड वन इज क्लब. क्लब द शेप इज लाइक दैट. अगेन दिस हैव 13 कार्ड्स. दीज 2 कार्ड्स आर ऑफ ब्लैक कलर्ड. ब्लैक कलर्ड. These cards are of black colored. Next, there are 2 more types of cards, that is red colored. First one is heart. ये आपको वो नेमिंग से मालूम पड़ जाएगा उसका शेप कैसे होता है. दिस इज हार्ट. एंड नेक्स्ट इज डायमंड. डायमंड, आई डोंट नो द हिंदी नेम ऑफ दिस वन. दिस वन इज डायमंड. These both are red colored, these both are black colored. This is also 13, this is also 13. आप अपने if you have cards with you, then you check it. Now, each card is numbered from 2 to 10. 2 to 10 तक 10 cards है. Now, after that, arrange in increasing order. Jack. Jack. Now, is queen. Now, king. And last one is ace. Ace is having highest value. 2 to 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 9 cards are coming. 10, 11, 12, 13. That is, each type contains 13 cards. Jack, queen and king. Jack, queen and king are called face cards. Face card. That means they have figures. And ace is not considered ace card or face card. And you have to consider that it is not a face card until and unless you are given in the question. This is about cards, 52 cards, 13 types of 4 types, 13 group of 13 numbers of 4 types. First spade, 13, then black club, again 13. Both are black colored. Then 2 red colored heart and diamond. And face cards are jack, queen and king. एंड एस को जब तक आपको क्वेश्चन में नहीं बताया जाएगा तब तक आप उसको फेस कार्ड नहीं मानेंगे. नाउ one card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards. From 52 cards, one card is drawn at random. Find the probability of getting red colored. King of red color. How many? There are 2 types of red colored card, diamond and heart. दोनों में एक king होता है. तो number of red colored kings is equal to 2. That is E. Now total number कितना है? That is 52. Therefore, number of red colored king is equal to probability of red colored king is equal to NE. We have denoted as E. NE upon NS, that is 2 by 52. And if you solve it, you will get 1 by 26. Second part is a king of red color. Second is face card. Face card. How many face cards are there? Each color, that is spade, club, heart and diamond. Each has how many face cards? 3 face cards. That is 3, 3, 3, 3. That is total number of face cards. Total number of face card. You just if you have cards, you just go through it. Total number of face card is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus, that is 12. Therefore, probability of getting face card is equal to formula you have to write. The number of face card is 12. Total card is 26. If you solve it, you will get it as let me check. If you solve this, you will get it as 3 4s are 12. 3 by 13. Next question is red face card. Only red. Red means these two are black and these 2 are red. Therefore, let me rub it. Number of This is third part. Number of red face cards. Number of red face cards is 3 plus 3, that is 6. Therefore, probability, you write the formula Ne upon Ns, that is Ns is fixed, 6 upon 26, that is 3 upon 13. Next one is Jack of Hearts. Fourth part, Jack of Hearts. Hearts में Jack, हर टाइप की कार्ड में एक एक जैक होता है. स्पेड में एक जैक होता है, क्लब में एक जैक होता है, हार्ट में एक जैक होता है, एंड डायमंड में एक होता है. तो नंबर ऑफ जैक, द जैक ऑफ हार्ट्स, नंबर ऑफ जैक ऑफ हार्ट्स में कितना जैक होता है? 1. Therefore probability is 1 upon 52. एक ही कार्ड होता है. Next one is a spade. Spade means how many spades are there? Each is having 13 cards. Therefore, next fifth part is number of spades. Number of spades is 13. Then probability of getting a spade is Ne upon Ns, that is 13 by 52, that is 1 by 4. Next is queen of diamond. Diamond का queen कितना होता है? Number of queen of diamonds. Again 1. डायमंड में एक ही क्यून होता है, that is 1. Therefore, probability is equal to 1 upon 50. In this way, you can find the probability of drawing any cards from a shuffle deck of 52 cards. Next question: 5 cards, 10, Jack, Queen, King, and Ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is drawn, is then picked up at random. What is the probability that card is queen? The queen is drawn and put aside. What is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace? An ace, and next is a queen. There are 5 cards. 5 cards. This is question number 15. There are 5 cards. And what are the 5 cards? First is a 10. Second is Jack. Third is Queen. Fourth is King. And fifth is Ace. Of diamonds are, these are the 5 cards. 10 number का card, Jack, Queen, King और Ace. These are well shuffled and with their face card downs. These सारे cards को shuffle करके face को नीचे करके रख दिया. From this, one card is drawn at random. उसमें से एक card निकाला. What is the probability that card is queen? What is the number of queens? Number of queen, इसमें कितने queens है? 1. Total number of cards? Total number of cards is 5. Therefore, probability of getting a queen is 1 upon Ne upon Ns, that is 1 upon 5. Now, if the queen drawn is put aside, what is the probability that second card picked up is an ace and a queen? इसके बाद, this is first part. In second part, जो queen निकाला गया उसको साइड में रख दिया. After that, one card is drawn. If queen is, this is called without replacement. If queen is not replaced, queen को हटाया गया, कितने cards बच रहे हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of cards remaining is equal to 4. और that is number of ace. First part इसमें भी 2 part है. First part, number of ace कितना है? 1. Therefore, probability getting an ace is equal to 1 upon 5, Ne upon Ns. So 1 upon 4 because queen is not replaced. Queen को वापस नहीं डाला गया. Now, what is the probability of getting queen? Queen को निकाला वापस डाला नहीं, तो queen is not in the group. So that probability of getting a queen is जो impossible. That means probability is 0. This is the 15th question. Next question is 16th question. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from the lot. Find the probability that pen is a good one. There are 132. This is the question number 16. 132 good pens. Good pens and defective pen, kharab. Defective pens is equal to 12. That is 12 defective pens are mixed with the 132 good pens. Therefore total कितने pens होंगे दोनों को मिलाए तो total pens is equal to 132 plus 12, that is 144. Now what is the probability that one pen is taken at random from this lot? What is the probability that it is a good one? इसको mix करने के बाद एक पेन को निकाला. What is the probability that this good one? How many good pens are there? 132. Total number of pens 144. The NE upon NS. Number of good pens is equal to 132. Total number of pens, that is written here 144. The probability of drawing good pen is equal to formula you can write by yourself, 132 upon 144. You have to 132 upon 144 you can simplify this को cancel करके simplify करके आप लिख सकते हैं. Now question number 70. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective bulbs. There are 20 bulbs है total. Defective bulbs are 4. 4 खराब है. So good bulbs कितना है? Good bulbs means बचता है, that is 20 minus 4, that is equal to 16. 20 minus 4, that is 16. Now what you are asked to find out, what is the probability one bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that bulb is defective? उसके बाद उसमें से एक बल्ब को निकाला गया. What is the probability of getting defective bulb? Total number of defective bulb upon total number of bulbs. The probability of getting defective bulb, dB means defective bulb, is 4 upon 20, that is 1 upon 5. Now second part, suppose the bulb is not defective, drawn is not defective and not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that bulb is not defective? Now जो बल्ब निकाला गया फर्स्ट केस में उसको वापस नहीं डाला गया, तो इसके बाद वापस एक और बल्ब निकाला गया. Then what is the probability that it is not defective? Not defective means good. तो जो निकाला गया उसको हटाया गया तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ बल्ब्स कितना हो जाएगा? Since the one bulb drawn, suppose the bulb is drawn not defective, जो बल्ब निकाला गया वो नॉट डिफेक्टिव नहीं है, then total number of bulbs कितना होगा? Total number of bulbs is 20 minus 1 is equal to 90. Why we are subtracting? Because we are not putting again in the box. Now total number of good bulbs, this is defective, but we have taken good bulb in the first lot, so that one bulb will be reduced. That is total number of good bulbs, non-defective, that is good bulbs, is equal to 16 minus 1 equal to 15. Now what is the probability? You are asked to find the probability of this bulb. Therefore required probability you have to write the formula 15 upon 90. Now question number 18. Question number 18 and question number 18 I will do. 19, 20, 22 you can do as homework. Question number 90, 20, 22 you can do as homework. Very simple questions. Now 18 question I am doing. Question number 18. Let me read the question. A box contains 90 bulbs which are numbered from 1 to 19. There are 19 bulbs which are numbered from 1 to 90. 90 डिस्क है. 90 डिस्क को एक में 1, 2, 3 से 90 तक डिनोट कर रखा है. If one disk is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears 2-digit number. First part is it bears 2-digit number. Total number of discs is equal to 90. Number of digits, 2-digit numbers. इसमें 2-digit numbers कितना है देखना. 2-digit numbers start from 10, 11, 12, etc. 90. That is therefore number of 2 digits. The 2-digit numbers. Therefore number of 2-digit numbers. Number of 2-digit numbers. Total number is 90. Total number of 2-digit numbers is equal to, if you count it, either you can count or you can minus it. 90 minus 9 is equal to 81. Therefore required probability is 81 by 90, that is 9 by 10. That is the first part. Next part is 9 by, let me check the question. Second part is, it is a perfect square. Second part, what are the perfect square? What are the perfect squares? The perfect squares of the numbers from perfect square from 1 to 90. 1 to 90 के बीच में कितने perfect square होंगे? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Therefore, number of perfect squares is equal to what I counted, that I counted as 9. Therefore, probability, total number of discs same रहेगा 9 upon, you have to write formula 9 upon 90, that is equal to 1 upon 10. This is the second part. Now third part is, it is divisible by 5. 5 से divisibility देखने के लिए ones place में 0 और 5 आना चाहिए. Numbers divisible by 5, numbers divisible by 5 between 1 to 90. 1 और 90 के बीच में numbers divisible by 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, बहुत सारे नंबर आएंगे, 25. आई एम राइटिंग लास्ट वन इज 85, 90. अब आप इसको गिनेंगे. Therefore, number of numbers divisible by any, इसको ही लेते हैं, divisible by 5 between 1 and 90. If you count it, you will get it as 18. 18 मिलेगा, आप काउंट करके देखना. Therefore, probability is any upon ns, that is 18 upon 90. If you solve it, you will get it as 1 by 5. This is 8th question. Next 18th question. Next 19 is homework. 20 is homework. 21 also homework. You can do by yourself, very simple. 19, 20. I am reading the question. 90, 20, 21, 22. These are homework. Very simple. If you have a doubt, you can ask me. 23 and 24 are important. I am reading the question. 23. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result, 3 heads or 3 tails. Otherwise, he loses. Find the probability that Hanif will lose the game. Lose the game means same नहीं आना चाहिए. As I told you, if a coin is tossing once, 2 outcomes may come, either head or tail. If a coin tosses 2 times, 4 outcomes may come. If a coin is tossing 3 times, total number of elements sample space is 2 cube, 8. 2 times means 2 square, 4. 1 time means number of elements sample space is 2 power 1, 2. 4 time means एक बार का जो इवेंट है उसको नंबर ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंट से डिवाइड करना, दैट इज 2 raised to power 4. How we can find sample space? I am going to give a trick. 23. Once if you toss a coin, क्या क्या आएगा? Either head or tail. This is one experiment. Second experiment, इस head के साथ either head can come या tail can come. Again from this head can come, tail can come. That is 2 times we have made the experiment. Now here the question is tossing 3 times. Then again from this you can find this is H or T. Again H or T. इसमें हमें करेंगे गलती नहीं होगी, नहीं तो आप कभी एक आध एलिमेंट छूट गया, आपका पूरा सैम्पल स्पेस गलत हो जाएगा. नाउ वी कैन फाइंड सैम्पल स्पेस. कर्ली ब्रैकेट, पहले H H H, फिर H H T. दैट इज दिस फर्स्ट लाइन इज ओवर. H H H. Second one is H H T. We have to find 8. Second H T H, H T T. ऐसे एक बार ले लिया, फिर नीचे की लाइन से H T H. Second is H T T. Third one is T H H, T H H, T H T. Again T T H, T T T. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8. एक और बार है तो वापस आ जाएगा. अब काउंट कर लो. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this way, it is very easy to form sample space. Now, the game win. Hanif wins if same. What is the condition given? Hanif wins if 3 heads or 3 head will come. Tail will come. That is कौन सा केस है? 1 and 2. This is 2. That is H H H. If headed and tail will come, and that is 2. Then the remaining cases he will lose the game. Number of events in which Hanif in which Hanif will lose the game. Hanif will lose the game is कौन कौन सा आ रहा है? एक्सेप्ट दीज टू. वन आप ये लिखना चाहते लिख सकते हैं HSP, STH, HTT, HH, THT, TTS, TTT. That means total 8. These two are deleted. That 6 is remaining. Therefore, probability is NE upon NN 6 by 8. That is 3 by 4. Now, next question of this exercise is 24. I am just reading the question. Die is thrown twice. Again die. If a die is experiment is repeating. If a die is thrown once, 6 outcomes may come. Die is thrown twice. That is एक बार डाई को फेंकेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6 आएगा. 2 बार कर दिया 1 2 3 इसके साथ आएगा. Because the lack of space I can't write. This is 6 तक आएगा. Again 6. तो what will be sample space? If one time it is thrown, 6 outcome comes. If 2 times it is throwing, that is 6 square. 36 outcomes will come. Then sample space बहुत बड़ा बनेगा. That is 1 1 1 के लाइन पूरा 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Second again 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6. Lack of space I am writing down. Next is 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5 3 6. Next 4 1 से 5 6 तक आपको करना है. 5 1 this is 6 1 because maximum number of faces is 6. 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5 4 6. And the line of 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6. Line of 6 6 1 6 2 6 3 6 4 6 5 6 6. These are the total number of element sample space. Now 5 will not come on either side. 5 कहीं पे भी नहीं आना चाहिए. ये पूरा लेंगे और ये 5 का लाइन भी लेंगे. 5 का लाइन कौन सा है? This 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 5. टोटल 36 है. तो 36 में से कितना कम करना है? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Number of events in which 5 comes. Events in which 5 comes. If 5 comes is आपको लिखना है. That is 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5 5 6 5. Now 5 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 and 5 6. ये लिखने के लिए मार्क होता है, इसलिए इट इज वेरी एसेंशियल. यू हैव टू राइट ईच एंड एवरी वन इन कर्ली ब्रैकेट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 5 आना नहीं चाहिए. दैट मीन्स नंबर ऑफ इवेंट्स इन विच 5 विल नॉट कम. In which 5 will not come. In which 5 will not come. 5 आना नहीं चाहिए. 5 will not come is equal to 36 minus 11, that is 25. Therefore, the probability of, let me check once more, that is the probability of getting the events in which 5 will not come is 25 by 36. Now second part is find the probability in which 5 will come at least once. कम से कम एक बार आना चाहिए. तो कितना आएंगे? 11 पूरा. In these all events 5 is coming once, except this 5 is coming twice. That is the required probability. I am not writing the whole process language. You can write required probability in which 5 will come at least one is NE upon NS, that is 11 upon 36. Now last question I will just read and you have to do by yourself. Optional exercise also you can do by yourself. 25th question of this exercise is, which of the following arrangements are correct and which are not correct? Give reason for your answer. If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes: 2 heads, 2 tails, or 1 of each. Therefore, for each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 upon 3. If you toss a coin 3 times, how many outcomes can come? 8. But here it is given a 3, that is it is false. Since if you the reason is if you toss a coin 3 times, total outcome will be 8. Second, if a die is thrown, there are 2 possible outcomes, an odd number or even number. Therefore, probability getting odd number is 1 by 2. If a die is thrown, how many outcomes may come? 6. Here it is given that 2. It is false because if you throw a die, there are total 6 outcomes. This is the that means we have completed NCERT book chapter 15, that is probability. Now let us start 1 or 2 questions of R.D. Sharma so that we can complete this chapter. Now I am reading the question, example 2, that means we have completed NCERT. Example 2, page number 16.6. Most of the question we have done. R.D. में जो हट करके वो करवा देती हूँ. This question had come in 2010 and 2013. 2 unbiased coins are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of first part, 2 heads, 1 head, 1 tail, at least 1 head, at most 1 head, no head. 2 coins are tossed. That is, what is the probability? As I told you, you can make the figure HT, HT, HT. That is HH, HT, then TH, TT. Now, first part is total number of element sample space is NS is 4. First part is 2 head occurs. 2 head, only 2 head occurs. कौन सा event है? That is HH. Therefore, probability of getting the event in which 2 head occurs is 1 by, that is E implies NE equal to 1 over here. NS 4. Therefore, probability of getting 2 head is NE upon NS, that is 1 by 4. That is the first part. Second part is 1 head. 1 head. This event contain 1 head. This event contain 1 head. Therefore, event in which 1 head occurs. Event with 1 head. कौन सा है? HT, TH. ये लिखना बहुत जरूरी है. Therefore, probability of getting the event since 1 head is NE upon NS. NE is 2. 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Third part is 1 tail. एक ही tail आना चाहिए. कौन सा है? These two again. Event having 1 tail. Again same procedure, same event. That is, इसमें दोनों में 1 head भी आ रहा है, 1 tail भी आ रहा है. That is HT, TH. Then again probability is 2 by 4. That is 1 by 2. Next is probability of at least 1 head. कम से कम एक head. At least means minimum to maximum. Event having at least 1 head. At least 1 head. At least 1 head. Minimum कितना आ सकता है? 0 head भी आ सकता है. Minimum 1 head आ सकता है. Maximum कितना आ सकता है? Maximum 2 heads. Now, minimum 1 head means this event, and this event. This means 0 head. That is HH. That is event having 2 heads, 1 head HT and TH. इसमें minimum 1 head भी आ रहा है, 2 head भी आ रहा है. Therefore, NE क्या हो गया? NE is 3. Therefore, probability क्या होगी? Probability is, required probability is, I am not writing all the steps, is 3 by 4. Now, at most मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा at most 1 head, ज्यादा से ज्यादा 1 head आना चाहिए. That means 1 head, this case आ गया, this case आया. At most means you have to take 0 case. 0 case. 0 case means कौन सा है? 0 case means no head. It is this one. एटलीस्ट में उस नंबर से जाकर के मैक्सिमम तक पहुंचना है. एटमोस्ट में वहां से 0 तक आना है. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 0 केस. 0 केस मीन्स नो हेड, दैट इज TT. प्रोबेबिलिटी नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्री इवेंट्स. तो इसमें एलिमेंट्री इवेंट्स कौन कौन से आएंगे? एलिमेंट्री इवेंट्स इज HT, TH, TT. यहाँ स्टूडेंट्स यूज टू फॉरगेट दिस, देन योर मार्क विल बी reduced, deducted. That for required probability is again 3 by 4. इसको कर्ली ब्रैकेट में भी कर सकते हैं. Next is no head. No head वाला case is this one. No head means so that whenever you are given such a question in which question is that means event is repeating, you have to form the sample space like this. No head means the event is TT. Therefore, required probability is 1 by 4. This is the example 2 of page number 166. Now example 3 again like this. I will just explain it. 3 unbiased coins are tossed together. Find the probability that all heads 2 heads, 1 head, at least 2 heads. 3 coin को example, next one is example 3. Page number 16.7. This question has come for, the question had come for 2015 CBSE. 3 coins are tossed. First one is HT, as I told you, again HT, इसे सैम्पल स्पेस बनाना है, HT, Now sample space is H. If you make in this way, you will not get any confusion. HHT, HTH, again HTT, now THT, THH, one minute, THT, this is THH, next is TTH and TTT. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First case is all head, सारे head होना चाहिए. कितना है? All head means which even you have to take H. NE is 1, NS is 8. Therefore, required probability is 1 by 8. Second one is 2 heads. 2 heads वाला कौन सा है? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Only 3 even is coming. That you have to write by yourself. I will give you by showing it. मैं सिर्फ दिखाऊंगी, आपको अलग से लिखना है. That is number of elements in even E. HHT 2 head वाला लेना है. HTS, THS, that is 3. Therefore, required probability is 3 upon 8. Third one is 1 head. Only 1 head. 1 head is 1, 2, 3. Again, this coming is this part is coming as third one. Let me check 3. That is 1 head is first case is HTT. Now TTH. And 1 head is this one, HTT, THT, TTH. Therefore, number of elements in this elementary event is 3. Therefore, required probability is 3 by 8. Now, last part of this question is at least 2 head. कम से कम एक head आना चाहिए. I rub it. कम से कम एक head means you can take the case of 1 head, 2 head, and 3 heads. You are having the elements. 1 minute. The at least 2 heads. कम से कम 2 head. 2 head भी हो सकता है, 3 head भी हो सकता है. 2 head वाला केस कौन कौन सा आएगा? I am reading HHT, HTS, THH. At least 2 heads. I am writing at least 2 heads. That is HTH. First one is. Second is HHT. इसको ब्रैकेट में लिखना है. Third one is THT. Sorry, THT नहीं आएगा क्योंकि 2 हेड चाहिए. This is coming only one side. HTH, HHT, HTH, THH. This is two case, 2 head वाला case, and there is one case in which 3 head comes. That is NE is equal to 4. Therefore, probability is equal to 4 by 8. That is 1 by 2. Now, in this way, you are given number of questions in related to this one. Cards you have to do by yourself, and besides that, one more question I would just want to give you. That is example 20. Example 20, page number 16.13. I will just explain you. You have to do by yourself. Example 20, page number 16.3. I am reading the question 16.13. I am reading the question. The question is 2 dice are thrown. Find the probability of getting. 2 die को ड्रॉ कर लिया तो आप जानते हैं 36 आउटकम होता है. उसमें 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3. तो जिसमें both the numbers are coming same is called triplet. जैसे कि 1 1 is a triplet, 2 2 सारे डायगोनल में जो आता है 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6. These are called triplets. Total outcome is 36. That you can do by yourself. And in this part you are given even number as sum. Sum करते वक्त even number आना चाहिए. Second sum is prime number. That also you can do. Sum is at least sum is total of at least 10. कम से कम 10. कितने मैक्सिमम आएगा 6 दैट इज 12 तक का सारे लेना है. नाउ सम एज डबलेट. दिस इज नॉट ट्रिपलेट, सॉरी डबलेट. ट्रिपलेट मीन्स 3 होता है, डबलेट इसको कहते हैं डबलेट. करेक्ट इट, डबलेट्स. डबलेट्स में कितना आता है 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 6 by 36. And sum of number, same number on both sides. Same number of both sides is same as doublet. Last one is multiple of 3 as the sum. सम करते वक्त आपको 3 आना चाहिए. 1 के लाइन में सम मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 आना चाहिए. 1 के लाइन में 1 2 आएगा, 1 5 आएगा. 2 के लाइन में आपको देखना है. तो आप if you can if you do like that, you will get 1 2 2 1. 1 के लाइन में 1 5 5 1. 2 के लाइन में 2 4 4 2 3 3 3 6 6 3 5 4 4 5 6 टोटल 12 आएंगे. 12 by 36. This question is to be done as homework. In each type of question in which the experiment is repeating, you have to write the sample space, and each part you have to write the elementary. Even after that, you can find the number as well as formula. Last question of today's class is, that is we are completing RD also, example 22. This question is example not 22. Example, let me check. Example 22, page number 16.15. I am reading the question. Find the probability that a leap year has leap year selected at random will contain 53 Sundays. In this question, you also add one more thing. Find the probability that a leap year selected at random as well as an ordinary year selected at random have 53 Sundays. एक लीप ईयर में 53 संडेज आने की प्रोबेबिलिटी पूछा है. What are how many days are in a leap year? Number of days in a leap year. लीप ईयर में कितने डेज होता है? That is 366. Number of weeks कैसे निकालेंगे? Number of weeks. How many days are in a week? 7 days. Number of weeks equal to 366 upon 7. That is 5 2 1 by 7. कितने वीक आ रहा है? 5 2 by 7. आप 360 को 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 52 होल 2 by 7 became. Therefore, number of weeks is equal to this. You can show either directly or indirectly 52. Now, how many 52 weeks are there? 52 into 7 364. Now, number of days remaining 2. Number of days remaining is equal to 2. How कैसे मिला? 52 into 7, that is 364. For getting 366, 2 days are remaining. These 2 days can come in which way? These 2 days can come as Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, और लगातार आना चाहिए. Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday. दोनों डे या तो संडे मंडे या मंडे ट्यूसडे, ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे, वेडनेसडे थर्सडे, थर्सडे फ्राइडे, फ्राइडे सैटरडे. नाउ लास्ट वन इज सैटरडे एंड संडे. इस फॉर्म में आ सकते हैं. हाउ मेनी outcomes are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This 52 is fixed, so that we cannot no need of considering 52 weeks. 52 weeks confirm है, तो उसको लेना नहीं, because the probability of certain event is 1. तो total number of elements in the sample space, this is the sample space, that is 7. Now, how many in which cases Sunday is coming? Sunday, Monday, Saturday, Sunday. Number of Sundays coming consecutively in 2 days is 2. Therefore, probability is equal to NE upon NS, that is 2 by 7. This is very important. First of all, find total number of weeks, remaining weeks, arrange it, then find the probability. Now, what is the number? Ordinary year means number of days in ordinary year. Number of days in an ordinary year. Ordinary year में कितने days होता है? 365. Number of weeks 365. Number of weeks पिछले जैसे 365 को 7 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 52 1 by 7. Now कितना दिन बच रहा है? Number of days remaining 1. Number of days remaining 1. And this 1 day can come how? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Therefore, number of elements in sample space 7 again. And in which Sunday comes how many times? 1. Therefore, required probability is equal to 1 by 7. In this way, you can find number of any week. If you are asked to find number of probability of getting 53 Fridays. Again, answer is 2 by 7. 53 Friday in ordinary year. Answer is 1 by 7. Now, this question, example 21 of page number 16.15, you have to do, and example 26 of page number 16.17, you have to do. You have to do the remaining questions of R.D. Sharma which had come in the board examination, and also NCERT examiner. I hope that you understood today's class. We have completed chapter probability. Any queries, you can ask me. Thank you.